What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a little bit of a challenge set up for me. I have 4 baits on a wheel. It's an app. I'm going to spin it randomly. And there are 4 of my non-confidence baits. It's a square bill, a long curly tail worm, like 6 inches or more, a square bill, and a lipless crankbait. Those are 4 baits that I almost never use. So we're going to try and catch a fish on them today. And if I catch a fish on all 4, I will be so happy with myself. The point of this challenge is to basically grow myself as an angler so I become better and better and I have more experience with each bait. So right now we're about to spin the wheel and we're going to see what bait I'm fishing with first. Stay tuned. Alright guys, looks like we are starting off with a curly-tailed worm. I don't even know where I'm going to find some of these in my collection of lots of stuff. I got straight-tail worms, trick worms, flukes. I'll get back to you guys when I have an idea of what I'm going to fish with. Alright guys, we have a couple bags of stuff down here. We have Buddha Baits Company green pumpkin. That might work. We have power bait, power worms in blue fleck power tail, which is basically black with pink. And we also have that in black with green right there. So I think I'm going to use the green pumpkin. If that can't work, we're going to try the neon, and then if we can't get anything on that, we're going to try pink. If we can't get anything on that, we'll respin and we'll come back to it later. Catch you guys at the pond. Alright guys, I have a half hour till sunset. I just spooked a bunch of bass in those flats over there. Looks like rain's on the way. The only lure I have is this curly-tailed worm. So I'm just trying to knock it out so I can go hard tomorrow with the square bill, because I'm probably gonna have to switch ponds, find ponds that don't have so much grass. We're gonna see if I can catch something on this. I have a good feeling. Stay tuned. I couldn't set the hook, my feet were so awkward. Don't come off, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. Oh, he choked me too. Here we go. Here we go! Shark. Here we go, guys. On the curly-tailed worms, probably about a pound. Right at sunset. Beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. That felt really good. Alright, we're gonna get some pictures for the gram. Add me at, I'll plug it on the screen. We're gonna get this guy back in the water. Oh my gosh, as soon as it hit the water. Ow! Ow! Ow, 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 ow. That was a reaction strike if I've ever seen one. That's a skinny fish. This fish ate it as soon as it hit the water. Like, I hope the GoPro caught that. My bike is right there. I scraped my ankle going down to get him. That was crazy. Probably about the same size as the other one, about a pound. We're gonna go get him back in the water. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was insane! Oh my God, I hope the camera got that. Did you guys see that? Oh my God. Oh my God. That was disgusting. I've never seen a bass hit like that before. It's probably the nicest one of the day. Oh my, is this recording? I'm editing this video and I realized that I actually turned off my GoPro when I went to go check if it was turned on. But anyway, fast forward to the next day. Alright, well, oh no, I hooked myself. There we go. It's the next day. It's like, what, 2:30? Pretty hot out, 80 degrees out, and I'm trying to fish a square bill, which I barely do because there's a ton of weeds in all the ponds. So I'm trying to just think of a place right now where I can go that has shade or somewhere that the fish will be that I can fish. I think I have a pretty good pond in mind that it can either prevail with a chunk or two, which is we only need one fish, or you don't catch anything and it can be a major bust. But if I catch something there, it sets up perfectly for the flippin' jig if we get that, and or the lipless crankbait. So we're gonna head out to that pond. Wish me luck. Oh, you're kidding me. I don't know if the GoPro could catch it, but I had like a 3-pounder swipe at my lure at the bank. And this is what I get instead. This is the second one I caught. I thought I had a bass and I'm really upset, but I know that they're biting in here, so I'm gonna stay here. I might do like 2 more laps. If we can't do anything, then I'm gonna head out to another pond. Oh my God! That fish is killed. How do you miss it? You guys, that was such an insane fish catch. This guy is like 3/4, half a pound at the most. I saw him shoot out from where all that dirt's kicked up right up in there. I threw right in front of him and he drilled it. That was amazing. All right, we're gonna take a picture. We're gonna get this guy back in the water. Trying to see if there's any more, because I don't want to spook him. Well, that was a pretty good audible, I'd say. See you, buddy. He swam out just like that. Come and get it. Awesome. Let's spin that wheel. Oh my.
lipless crankbait knocked off.
Check. Lipless crankbait knocked off on about a pretty good sized flare fish, you know, about 5 pounds right there. Now we gotta switch to the flipping jig. There he goes.
Oh my god, and I have a... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh my god! That's a 3-pound. Oh my god! That fish just came. What? What? What just happened? Oh my god. Calm down. Come on. Oh my god.
Well, I was wrong when I said that this pond only had small fish. I just yanked the 3 out of here. Like a 1.5 pound fish blew up on some bait fish right in front of me. This guy smoked me. Oh my god. That's insane. I feel like Barrick right now. I'm gonna switch to the jig and I'm gonna stick in this pond. Oh my god. I'm gonna take some pictures of this beauty and I'm gonna get her back in the water. Catch you guys. Guys, thank you so much for biting. That was an insane fish. I thought she was a 5 at first, but I hooked her kind of sideways. Thank you so much. There she goes. That is amazing. I'm definitely gonna switch to the jig and I'm definitely staying at this pond. That was insane, guys. All right, guys, unfortunately the other GoPro, or not the other GoPro, but the GoPro is dead, so I'm just gonna have to update you guys if I catch a fish. Yeah, they cut down the cattails, which is pretty much a bummer for me because that's what I was really relying on to try and catch these fish. We're gonna see. I have a good feeling I can pull this off. Well, I told you guys I'd update you. Look at how this guy ate it. I flipped it right underneath that waterfall. There was a ton of current. I got slammed, threw back under there, and got slammed again and caught this guy. He's a really chunky fish. He's just pretty short. There was a bunch of fish up here that shot out. I missed them, so I flipped down here. But I'm gonna take a picture, throw this guy back, and I'm gonna keep catching them right under here. I bet you I can catch at least 2 more. Stay tuned. I kid you not, next cast, I got a smaller one right there as soon as it hit the water. I'm gonna set up my phone somewhere so I can film this, and I'll catch one just right after I throw this guy right back. Stay tuned. Boom. Another one. They keep getting smaller and smaller, so what I think I'm gonna do is I might run home and grab some baits I know can catch big fish. I might head back to that other pond and try to see if I can do anything there. But this is going to be the end of this video. Once I release. There it goes. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed, I'm back home. It is currently pouring outside right behind you guys. I know you guys can't see that. But if you enjoyed, definitely leave a giant thumbs up on the video. Go sub below. I'll put it somewhere along with like 2 videos. I highly recommend that you guys go and try this challenge. Just take 4 of your confidence baits, download an app, and randomize it. As you can see, it can work pretty well. I'm your host, Owen. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.